Welcome to Vegan Method. In this video I'm making fat-free potato croquettes. So to make these crispy, soft inside croquettes, I have got 750 grams of potato, I've got a 20 gram chili, I've got 48 grams of shallots and 2 tablespoons of nooch. Then I've got some breadcrumbs, I've got a teaspoon of paprika, half a teaspoon of salt and half a teaspoon of black pepper. I also nearly forgot, I've got a clove of garlic as well. So I'm going to finely dice the shallots and the garlic, and I'm going to get them as small as I can because I want them to brown and break up a little bit, but just to get the flavour out, and I don't want too big of chunks in the croquette. The garlic and the shallots will go into about 1 inch of water, which is going to be brought up to the boil and then turned down to simmer, and I want all that water to evaporate while it will brown the shallot and the garlic. And I'm also going to put the pepper in there. I'm just going to dice that, and then that'll go in a couple of minutes. Veggies are simmering down. I've peeled and chopped my potatoes into cubes, roughly the same size, and I'm going to put them into a pot of water, bring to the boil until they're soft, and then they will be pulled out, ready to be mashed. All the water is now pretty much gone from the veggies, so I'm going to put them into a bowl on the side to cool down. Also, my potatoes have now cooked, they're nice and soft, so I'm going to put them through a potato ricer. If you don't have a potato ricer, you can mash them with a fork or use a potato masher. Next, I'm going to add the nutritional yeast or nooch, and then I'm going to also add the paprika, the salt and pepper, and I'm going to give that a good mix around into the potatoes. The potatoes are nicely mixed, and I'm going to add in my veggies now, and once again I'll give it a thorough mix around because I want it to be evenly distributed amongst the potatoes. You don't want one bite with everything in it. So now is a good time to preheat the oven. We want it at 240 degrees, so stick it on now. And what I'm going to do here is get the potato mixture, shape them into the croquettes, and then I will roll them through the breadcrumbs, dip each end in it as well to make sure it's thoroughly covered, and that will go on the baking sheet ready to go in the oven. It'll be in there for around 25 minutes. So the trick is to try and make them all roughly the same size and turn the pan at least once in the oven so they evenly cook. Now the croquettes have come out of the oven and they are perfectly crispy on the outside, soft in the middle, and they've got a really nice flavour going through them. So thank you for watching my 100th video. As always, please feel free to like, subscribe, or leave your comments below.